Good morning, everyone. In previous class, we have discussed exercise 5.2, question number 1. Now, before that, we discussed formula related to find the nth term of an entity. Here, friends, you have to remember what is nth term. The general formula of nth term is n is equal to a plus n minus 1t. Here n means number of term, the term which you are going to discuss. If you want to discuss about the second term, then you have to put n is equal to 2. If you want to know about the fifth term, then you have to put n is equal to 5. The rest of the things, a means first term, d means difference. Clear? So now here we are moving further. Question number 2, that is choose the correct options. Now this is a MCQ. In this section we are going to discuss 2 MCQ only here given. Now the others are given in the textbook and in digest also you can find the extra question. Now remember friends, in the board exams 1 mark question from chapter 5 will be asked. So all the MCQs, blanks, they can ask answer in 1 word or 2 or false. So all are important for this chapter. Now here, what is the question? 13th term of the AP. Here AP is this. We have to find 13th term of AP. This is your first term, this is your second, this is your third. If you are going further, you have to find the 13th term. So what we have to find first? Here and AP is AP क्या है आपका 10 7 4. Now first of all what we will find? A is equal to 10. D means difference. Difference means A2 minus A1. That means 7 minus 10. Plus minus minus sign big number. Big number is 10. So D is equal to 3. Now I want to find 13th term. So A formula to find the nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1t. Here I want to find 13th term. So n is equal to 30. You have to write like this. Someone are writing like this, writing like this. So it is not a proper way. Right? So here A means 10, n 30. D means minus 3. So 10, 30 minus 1, 29. Here someone are writing like this. So this one is wrong. You have to do a bracket because these both are in multiplication. So this plus minus minus 29 3s are 87. Now plus minus minus sign big number, so it will be minus 77. So this one is your answer. Right? Now we are moving on. Second question. 11th term of the AP is, our next question is 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 2. Right? So here AP is given. So AP is, this question is also same as previous. So here A is equal to, A means first term, that is minus 2. D means A2 minus A1. Here A2 means minus 1 upon 2. A1 means minus 3. So minus, then minus minus plus. In denominator I will write 1. Cross multiply. 1 ones are 1. 3 twos are 6. 2 ones are 2. So plus minus minus, so it will become 5 upon 2. So your D is 5 upon 2. Now I want to find 11th term. So 11th term, first of all I will write the options, that is 28, 22, minus 38, 48, 1 upon 2. So 11th term means n is equal to 11. A I found minus 3. N means 11. D I got 5 upon 2. So here 11 minus 1 means 10. 5 upon 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Plus minus minus sign big number. So A11 is equal to 22. Clear? So this is your answer. So this way, if you are given find this much term or nth term, 11 term, 15 term, 158 term, simply you should have A and B. N means the term which you want to find. So put here we have to find 11 term. So put 11 instead of 10. Clear? Now we are moving on next question, that is question number 3. So question number 3, find the missing term. We have to find missing term. So this one is your first question, right? So very simple. Here you know this is A. A is equal to 2. This is your first term, this is your second, this is your third term. So A3 is given. A3 is equal to 26. Right? I want to find A2. So how to find? So first of all, if I write the formula of AN is equal to A plus N minus 1B. Here instead of N I can write 3. A3 is equal to A means 2, N means 3. I don't have B. Yeah? Now A3 is given. A3 means 26. Now this 2 will come this side. So 26 minus 2 is equal to 2. It will be 24. Now if I divide, so D will be 12. Now I got B12. So here, what is your A2? So A2 is equal to A1 plus B. A1 means first term. What is your first term? 2. What is your D? D I got 12. So A2 is equal to 14. Understand the rest? First of all, what is given? A is given. This one is third term, 1, 2, 3. So write A3 is equal to 26. Write down the formula. Instead of N, put A3 and then put value of A3. Clear? A is given, D is not given. If I found D, अगर मुझे डिफरेंस मिल जाएगा तो इसमें मैं डिफरेंस ऐड करूंगा A1 plus D. Clear? Next. Friends, here first term is not given, difference is not given. So what we will do? You know, this is your second term, this is your fourth term. So here A2 is equal to 13, what I will do, I will write the formula of a. N is equal to a plus n minus 1b. What is your n? N means 2. A. Here 2 minus 1b. A2 I have. A2 means 30. So 2 minus 1 means b. So this is your first formula. A plus b is equal to 30. Clear? Again, now n is equal to a plus n minus 1b. Again put a 4. N means 4. B I don't have. So A4 I am having, that is 3. So A plus 3. So A plus 3D is equal to, write down this one first. So this is your second equation. Now by elimination I can get A and D. So subtract by doing 1 minus 2. So A plus B is equal to 30. A plus 3D is equal to 3. Minus minus minus. This will be cut. B minus 3D minus 2. 13 minus 3. 10. Here 2 is in multiply. It will come this side. 2 5s are 10. So D is equal to minus. If I substitute 8 in 1. If I substitute B in 1, I am having 1 is this. So if I put D is equal to minus 5 plus minus minus, this will come this side, 13 plus 5. So A is equal to 18. Right? Now I am having A, I am having B. So A means first term. So first term is A1 is equal to 18. Now I want to find third term. So A3 is equal to, you can write A plus third term means 2D, or you can write like this. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. See, both where I am writing, आपको एक ही लिखना है. If I write like this, A plus 2D means 18 plus 2, D means minus 5, 2 5s are 10, so it will be 8. If I find through this formula, A2 is 30 and your B is minus 5. So plus minus minus. So 13 minus 5, that will be 8. So you can use any of the formula. If you write like this, कोई भी टर्म है उतने उससे कम डिफरेंस, थर्ड टर्म है तो A plus 2D. If I want to find 8th term, then A plus 7D, or you can add the difference in preceding term. So you can write any of these two. दोनों में से कोई एक, ठीक है? So first of all, here we don't have A, we don't have D. Here, so how to do? So this is your second term, this is your fourth term. So write down A2 is equal to this, A4 is equal to this. Put formula of nth term, put the value of second term, again put formula of nth term, put value of fourth term. You are having two equations. By elimination, if you solve these two equations, you are having A and D. Now you are having A and D. So here I want to find first term and third term. So we put first term A1 is equal to 18. Third term means A plus 2D or A2 plus D. Clear? question number 3. 5, 9, 1 upon 2. So here, friend, this is your first term. A is equal to 5. This is your fourth term. Now 9 1 upon 2 means 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19 upon 2. This is your fourth term. Now A is given, so I can put formula of an. A is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Now I am having 4, so instead of n I will write 4. A means 5. 4 minus 1. Now A4 is given. What is A4? 19 upon 2. 5 plus 5. This 5 is plus, this side it will become minus. 19 ones are 19, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2. So 9 upon 2. Now 5 is in multiply. It will come this side, it will become divided. So D is equal to 9 upon 10. Right? Now I want to find second as well as third term. So what is your second term? Second term is equal to A plus D. First term plus D. What is your A? A is 5. What is your D? D is 9 upon 10. Again I am doing cross multiply. 10 5s are 50. So it will become 59 upon 10. Next I want to find A3. So A2 plus D. A2 what I am having? 59 upon 10. D. D means 9 upon 10. So it will become 59 plus 9. 68 upon 10. So this is your answer. So this way you can solve the entire question. Clear? Now I am moving on blank 4 and 5. So 4 is your homework. Here 2 boxes given in question number 4 terms, second, third, fourth, 5. 5 terms you have to find. So this way you can find 2 more terms. If I ask A4, then A3 plus D, A5, A4 plus D. So this way you can do this question. Now, fifth question of this exercise. Now, what is the question? Question is box 38 minus 20. So here this is your second term. A2 is equal to 38. 3, 4, 5, 6. A6 is equal to. So whenever 2 term is given, we have done 2 or 3 sums like this. We will put the general formula of an find the nth term. We are having one equation. If we put another formula, we are having second equation. By elimination, we can get A and D, and then we can find this over term. Right? See, first of all, A n is equal to A plus n minus 1b. See, if I put A2, A plus 2 minus 1b. So A2 means 38. A I am having, not having. So 2 minus 1, 1. So my first formula is A plus B, 38. Right? Again, now I am writing directly. See, now you don't need to put the formula. If I want to write A6 means a plus 5b. Clear? See here, a2 means a plus 1d. If I want to write a10 means a plus 9d. If I want to a100, what will be a100? A plus 99d. So this way you can write directly instead of formula. No need to put formula. So I am a6 is equal to a plus 5d. Now what is your a6? 22. Here I am not having 5d. So a plus 5d is equal to minus 20. This one is your 1, this one is your 2. Now 1 minus 2 by doing 1 minus 2. What is your 1? A plus b 38. A plus 5d. Now minus, so I will change the sign. This will become d minus 5d means minus 4d. 38 plus 22, 60. This minus 4 will be in divide. So d is equal to minus 15. Clear? Now, if I substitute it in 1, substitute it in 1, now 1 is a plus d, 38. Now d is minus 15. So instead of d I am writing minus 15. This will come this side. It will become plus 53. Right? So first term I got. This one is your first. Now I want to find third term. So a3. Now a3 is equal to what? You can use any of the formula. First term plus a plus 2d. Right? This way you can write the formula directly. If I want to find sixth term, a plus 5d. If I want to third term, a plus 2d. यहाँ पे जो नंबर है उससे एक नंबर यहाँ पे कम आता है. So मुझे थर्ड टर्म चाहिए. तो a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Now what is your a? A means 52. What is your d? D I got minus 15. So 52, 30. It will become 20. I want to find a4. What is your a4? A plus 3d. Now what is your a? 52. D means 15 threes are 45. So a4 is equal to 7. And the last I want to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A5. A5 is equal to a plus 4d. What is your a? 52 minus 15. So minus 60. So this way you can find the remaining term. So simple one formula and 2 or 3 methods are there to find the different terms, or if you want to find a, if you want to find d, all we can do using this formula. Clear? Now we are moving on question number 4. See the question number 4. It is the most important question. Now 4 to 16, each and every questions are very important for your board exams. Right? So now if you know the concept till now, you can do any of the questions. So what is the question number 4? Which term of the AP, what is your AP? 3, 8, 13, 18 is 70b. This type of example we have done. Which term? So I said at that time, if the word this one was asked, which term means you have to find n. कौन से नंबर की टर्म? A AP की कौन से नंबर की टर्म ये है? सो हियर a is 3. You should have d also. D means a2 minus a1. a2 is 8 minus 3, that means 5. D is here. This term, this means last term is this, so an is equal to 78. This much is given. I want to find n. मुझे n चाहिए. So now I will write the formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1b. Now an means 78. A means 3. Which term they ask? So this is n as it is, and d means 5. So this will come this side. So it will become 75. 5 will come in divide. So 15 is equal to n minus 1. This minus 1 will come this side. So 15 plus 1. So n is equal to 16. Understand? So that example is also important and this question is also important. This type of question will be asking 2 marks. Right? If they ask which term of this is this, so first you can find a, you are having b. This will be your an. ये आपका an होगा, ठीक है? और which term means we have to find n. Clear? Now the last question of this video. Question number 5. First, find the number of term. Right? First one is 7, 13, 19, 20. What we have to find? We have to find the number of term. कितनी term है? Means again same as previous question. A is 7. B is a2 minus 7. a2 means 13. a1 means 7. See, ये आपका AB है और ये आपका A1 भी है. Clear? So A and B I am having now. an is equal to 205. ये आपका an होगा last term and n I have to find. So put the formula. N is equal to 8 plus n minus 1. Now an means 205. A means 7. N I want to find. And D means 6. This 7 will come this side. So it will become 198. This 6 is in multiply, it will come this side. 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So 33 n minus 1. This minus 1 will come this side. It will become plus 1. So n is equal to 34. ये फर्स्ट था, इसका दूसरा आपको होमवर्क में करना है. क्लियर? So friend, this way you can do the sums related to AP. Clear? So ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज आप आगे कर सकते हो. ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज ये फॉर्मूला के बेस ही है. So try it. Those who can do, you can do the entire exercise. Clear? If you are having any query, I will make a video, but try to solve by yourself. Clear? So it will help you more. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, share and give good comments. Thank you friends.